How to fix weak mobile signal. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, you'll learn how to improve a weak mobile signal. A weak signal can be frustrating, making it difficult to call, text or use the internet on your phone. Many people experience this issue at the home or in certain areas, but there are simple steps you can take to enhance your signal strength. To get started, swipe down from the top of your screen to access the Quick Settings menu. Look for the Airplane Mode option and tap on it to turn it on. Wait a few seconds, then turn it off again. This quick action forces your phone to reconnect to the nearest cell tower, which can often resolve weak signal problems immediately. If turning on and off airplane mode doesn't work, you can try another method. Open the phone app on your device and dial 3370 and then hit call. These codes activate enhanced full rate codec, which can improve voice quality and potentially strengthen signal reception. Next, let's check your network settings. Go to settings and tap on connections, then mobile networks and select network mode. Ensure you are connected to the correct network type such as LTE or 5G. Sometimes switching between networks like from 5G to LTE can yield better results depending on local coverage. Another important factor is ensuring your device is running the latest software version. An outdated software can lead to connectivity issues. To check for updates, go to Settings and scroll down to Software Update and tap on it, and then select Download and Install. If an update is available, download and install it. And that concludes this tutorial. If you have any questions about this process, please let me know in the comment section below. If this video helped you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.
And subscribe for more videos like this.